Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. So guys, in this video we are going to see three off-campus drives which are from Cognizant, Deloitte and Capgemini. So there are different roles that for which the company is hiring, that is like analyst, process executive. So freshers and experience both can apply for these drives, and candidates which are a pass out of 2020 to 2024 batches can apply for this drive. So let's start looking in these drives. Before we start to look in these drives, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet, because I regularly post these kinds of helpful videos for all of you on daily basis. So let's look at the first off-campus drive, which is from Deloitte for the role of Associate Analyst, Accounting Service Professional, DAS, Hyderabad. So let's see the details about this job. Here is the complete job description, that is the key responsibilities which you need to perform once you join the organization. These are very basic activities which a fresher can easily perform. So if make sure that you definitely apply for this drive if you are looking for a job. Let's see the skills or the requirements that are mentioned. Proficient in Microsoft Office suite, especially Excel, PowerPoint, Word. Ability to follow instructions and execute without error. Demonstrated ability to pay attention to detail. Ability to work in a fast-paced environment. Good verbal and written communication skill. Ability to work virtually. Solid reasoning and problem-solving skill. So this means that very basic skills are needed, and most of us knows Excel, PowerPoint and all. So make sure to apply for this drive. And qualification and experience required mentioned is 0 to 2 years of experience. Bachelor's degree is the qualification which is mentioned. So people from different backgrounds who are having bachelor's degree can apply for it. Okay, and here are the work timings mentioned. In order to apply for it, you can just apply by clicking on this apply now button. Let's see another job opportunity which is from Deloitte again, and which is for the role of analyst, IT asset management. So here you can read the complete job description. Okay, what you need to do, basically the job is about asset management. So let's see the qualifications required for this job. BTech or in IT or mechanical or other engineering streams. So if you are from any stream, you can apply for this drive, or MBA with finance or operations management from tier 2 tier 3 institution, ITIL foundation certified. 0 to 3 years of experience in areas of IT asset lifecycle management, additional diploma in asset inventory, supply chain management. So again, freshers can apply for this drive as well. Moving on to the next job opportunity, which is from Cognizant. Cognizant is currently hiring for the role of process executive data, and here are the complete responsibilities mentioned, which is the job description, what you need to perform. Here are the qualifications mentioned for this job, that is process experience in supply chain procurement, have basic understanding of procure to pay, show familiarity with finance, exhibit strong analytical and problem solving skill, demonstrate excellent communication skill, detail oriented, ability to work effectively in a hybrid work model, which means you might be getting work from home also in this job opportunity. Okay, so here are the complete details. Make sure to apply for this if you are looking for this relevant job. Let's now move on to the next job opportunity, which is from Capgemini. Capgemini is currently hiring for the role of Python developer, and the experience required is 0 to 4 years, and the location is going to be Bangalore. So make sure to apply for this drive, whoever is looking for a fresher level job, and whoever is willing to relocate to Bangalore. Okay, so here is the complete details. Okay, like apply scientific methods to analyze and solve software engineering problems, responsible for development and application software engineering practice and knowledge. Work requires exercise of original thought and judgment. So all this complete job description is mentioned here. Make sure to give it a read and apply with this apply now button. All the job links will be provided in the description box. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thanks for watching the video.